What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SOFI stock. We had a lot of news come out today, and I'm filming this video pretty late at night at about 8:40 p.m. We have some really important news I want to cover with you guys because there was some massive institutional selling going on, and we still have a lot of speculation. We don't have the full details, but as of right now, a lot of shares have been exchanging hands. And if you saw the SoFi stock today, it was still a pretty strong day, about a 3% green day. But yes, guys, we have a massive institution that is completely sold out of their position. This was Silver Lake. They've been investing in the company since 2017. They have fully exited their position. That is all we know for certain, that they have fully exited their position. 31 million shares have been sold. There was a little bit of news that came out in the after hours about a big block trade. It was 19 million shares in one trade. Massive, selling going on, and that was coming from Silver Lake. So they sold over the course of a couple of days. So we're going to give you all of that information to you guys right now. So be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,500 likes for the YouTube algorithm so all the SoFi investors can see exactly what happened behind the scenes. Don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. Tell me what you think about this, maybe later on in the video once you see, the full details, and I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get the channel past 25,000 subs. Let's get into it. All right, guys, the first thing I want to talk about right now is the price action on the SoFi stock today. And of course, we had a good day with SoFi today. They broke out the SpaceX news where you can get access to, SpaceX. We're not going to cover that exactly right now. We're going to mostly cover, this big, selling transaction by the institutional investor, but still a really good day. But, crazy price action volatility you need to look at. Almost red here, a pump up 3%, close to, going break even again, and then a pump. So a lot of buying and selling going on, and that's what's going to be important when we look at, what happened behind the scenes in the stock. But very important day when we're going green 3% and there was that much selling today. Let's get into it. All right, guys, this post came out at 6 p.m., a couple hours later after the day close, and you can see SoFi Technologies, an 18.7 million share block trade. Price range 1610 to 1632. Morgan Stanley is acting as sole book running manager for the offering. So, guys, massive amount of shares are being exchanged today. This is one trade of 19.7 million shares. And guys, I put this post out immediately after I saw that. I said, we have a large buyer and a large seller. I don't personally care about the seller. Let's see who the buyer is, because that is more important for the future, okay? We've already had two separate institutions sell out. Qatar and also SoftBank. These guys sold out at the lows and missed out on 200% gain. So a block trade is a large private transaction for the purchase or sale of securities. Block trades are typically carried out by institutional investors such as hedge funds, mutual funds, investment banks. So guys, understand that these transactions have already completed. We're going to show you further details right now, and here it is, guys. Here's the form for this. Came out a little bit later on, about an hour ago, and you can see this is Silver Lake right here. SoFi stock, trading symbol, and you can see these are all the sales posted, guys. They had a total of 31 million shares, okay? And you can see this first sale went on 2 days ago on the second. Look at this, guys. 1.7 million shares sold at 1606. Dropped their share count to 28,900,000. Sold 28,000 here. Sold another 5 million yesterday on the third. Dropped their share count down to 23.7 million. Sold 85,000 shares, 60,000 shares. This was all on the same day yesterday. And then we move on to today. The big one, guys, right here. The 19.3 million share sold today. This is the fourth, guys. Block trade, okay? To have this many shares, hit the open market and the stock not even go red at all today. I mean, we're finishing up, green 3%. I think there was a big, whale that came in, guys, a long-term holder that's, going long on the stock. Morgan Stanley, facilitated this transaction. And I think, guys, we're going a lot higher, okay? I think we're going to get better investors inside of the stock. Institutional ownership is going to continue to skyrocket. Yes, of course, they dropped the SpaceX news. That may to have been to offset the selling as well a little bit. Retail coming in, chasing the, Tesla, Elon Musk, SpaceX hype. So that could have been counterbalancing. That's definitely fine. But guys, I think a big whale came in here and cleaned up these 19 million shares today. I can tell you that right now. But yes, guys, they have fully exited their 31 million shares. And I said, guys, listen to me now. Silver Lake sold 31 million shares total, including the massive 19 million share block trade. All these sales are completed. That is the great news. Look at the stock today, 3% green. And the SoFi stock was green today, almost 52-week highs again. Who the F bought the 31 million shares? Newsflash, it wasn't retail, guys. I'm telling you right now, we got another whale inside of the stock. I'm very excited to see who it was. Was it BlackRock? Was it Vanguard? Was it Dimensional Fund? Who knows? I don't know when we're going to see that news, but I'm very, very excited. And guys, take a look at this right here. We got Vanguard, number one. 89 million shares, BlackRock 45 million shares, and then Silver Lake 31 million shares. This is the third largest holder of SoFi, and they have fully exited their position in 3 trading days, and the SoFi stock is still ripping up to almost 52-week highs, a green day on when they have fully exited a 19 million share block trade. Look at the fund ratings, guys. You need to see this. 5-star on Vanguard, 5-star on BlackRock, Silver Lake, 1-star, Dimensional Fund, 4-star, State Street 5, Geode 5. I mean, guys, do you see what's happening? I mean, these guys were buying in at the highest levels there was in 2021. Look at their average share price of $19, okay? These guys literally sold for a loss today, just continuing to buy at the worst times possible. And it looks like they're trying to go into a better investment now. But guys, I mean, you can see all of the whales holdings right here. Vanguard 13, BlackRock 10, 7 Dimensional, State Street 10. I mean, guys, a lot of retail investors have been doubling down at these lower levels, and it's going to really pay off in the long term. But guys, I want to see who the whale is. This is bullish. These guys will have the worst fund rating. They have fully exited. They sold for a loss, in total averaging, all of their share counts. These guys were early investors in 2017. So, maybe in the private markets, they made some money, but, in the public markets, these guys sold for a loss. So let's see who the big buyer was that came in. The SoFi stock's going higher. It's green 3%. This is what happened, guys. These are the facts. We had 3 days of selling, 31 million shares. Silver Lake has exited their position. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.